have been speaking about the tariff tensions between India as well as the United States of America, and also a strain in the relationship between Modi and also Trump. But amid the ongoing trade tensions, US President Donald Trump surprisingly was the first world leader to call Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his 75th birthday today, describing their phone conversation as, in Donald Trump's own words, wonderful on his social media profile of Truth Social. Relations between the two countries had soured after Donald Trump imposed steep tariffs on Indian goods. We know at the moment it stands at 50%. We are being assured again and again by both the leaders that something will pop up on the table, something constructive will be achieved eventually. But at the moment, it's 50% on Indian goods as far as tariffs are concerned. Now, coming back to the call, Donald Trump wished Prime Minister Modi a very happy birthday and praised his leadership, saying, let me quote him here, that he is doing a tremendous job. Prime Minister Modi warmly thanked Donald Trump on his social media profile of X, calling him a quote-unquote friend and emphasizing their shared commitment to take the India-US comprehensive and global partnership to new heights. He also expressed support for Washington's efforts towards a peaceful resolution of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Now, this warm exchange is being seen as a hopeful thaw as far as India and US's ties that again stays at a very strained position at the moment, and also helping ease months of diplomatic and trade challenges. It's extremely crucial that both the leaders are talking fondly of each other. The fallout between the two global leaders began after Donald Trump claimed that he had, quote-unquote, solved the India-Pakistan conflict not once but multiple times at multiple different stages, a statement that Prime Minister Modi and his administration has firmly been rejecting, insisting that India would never accept US's mediation in a bilateral issue. Tensions escalated following a tense 35-minute phone call in June alongside the imposition of US tariffs on India. Despite criticism from Trump's aides targeting India, Peter Navarro, we know that he goes on the rampage and he continues to do so. Donald Trump himself never personally attacked Prime Minister Modi, often praising his leadership. India's growing global role, especially at the SCO summit, appears to have now encouraged Trump to tone down his rhetoric against India. This shift sort of paved the way for warmer exchanges and a quiet resumption of trade talks between the two nations as well. In fact, the recent birthday call between Donald Trump and Prime Minister Modi now signals the renewed hope, with both the leaders reaffirming their dedication to strengthening the strategic partnership between India and also the United States of America. So that was the entire brief about what all has happened so far, what was the ticking point, and what is the meaning of this recent conversation between Donald Trump and Prime Minister Modi mean. There is a swift change in the tonality here. The two leaders, ever since the SCO summit happened in Tianjin of China, have changed their positions against each other. We have been looking at a gentle Donald Trump towards India, a softer Donald Trump towards Prime Minister Modi, and of course now him being the first global leader to personally dial Prime Minister Modi to wish him birthday on his 75th birth anniversary, which happens to be today. Donald Trump did not hold himself back. We know how famous he is to update the entire world through his Truth Social profile. He again, about the conversation about how he personally dialed Prime Minister Modi to wish him birthday, updated the entire world about him making a phone call to Prime Minister Modi, and we got the response from Prime Minister Modi as well.